Video of machine 6252, a Denison Multipress, wired 480 volt. We'll show you in jog mode. The top limit is home, the middle one's slow down, the bottom is return. Go ahead and take the block out. Just jog it up and down for a minute. Put it in auto. That's good, Brent. All new valves, all new hoses, new check valves. The tonnage will be adjusted at the pump right here, but it's set at its max right now, so you can turn the tonnage down, but do not turn it up anymore at this point. Final video. Video of machine 6252. This is jog mode. We will show you full tonnage. Hit it. 2000 PSI is full tonnage. The yellow button is return to home at any time. You have 3 limit switches. When you hit the middle one, it slows it down. Now we'll go into auto mode. There's your slow mode. This is your counterbalance. That's good. All new valves, all new hoses. Wired 480 volt.